Hey everyone, my name is Chelsea and welcome to my channel, or if you've been here before, I'm glad that you're back. Today, my living room is gonna start getting a makeover. I will put up here what we are working with. I know that I want to give the walls a fresh, bright white coat of paint. I have to clean the carpet, but I will do that off camera. I'm sure you'd be bored by that, so I will do that piece first off camera, and then we're just gonna start bringing stuff in. You're gonna get to see items that I've thrifted be put to use and styled. I know some of you have commented that you'd like to see how I actually style the items that I thrift, so there will be plenty of that in this video. I am excited. I can't wait to get this project started. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. The paint color that I chose for this project is Chantilly Lace by Benjamin Moore. At first, I'm just going to go ahead and put down a nice coat of bright white primer. The ceiling does have to be painted too. I know that it looks a little bit different color than the walls in the video. It looks like a much brighter white, but really the ceiling is the same color as the walls, so that's why I have to paint the ceiling as well. Here is a better view of the paint difference you can see on the ceiling compared to the beigey cream color it was compared to the white. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of the space, and I will see you tomorrow. You guys, I have white walls. Look, they are white. The ceiling is white. It is no longer that sort of very yellowy beige cream color that they were. They're very much white, so I am excited about that. I did get some help with just getting my couch up here, as you can see, and then I have like a few furniture pieces. And if you saw my last video, then you know that there is a decor all over my floor right now. It's gonna be a little bit easier to style that way because I can kind of see a lot of the pieces that I want to use. I made myself like a little stockpile of like pillows. Like I said, I brought up furniture that I want to put in here, so I'm gonna get some of that stuff moved into place and we're gonna style this room. Amazon came.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Simple details, Chelsea.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Alright guys, so when I left off with you, I was hanging curtains, I think. I ended up changing my mind. I got a bigger bar, but I did get a bigger bar to go out further. I also changed the curtain color. I originally did white curtains that I actually have, well, I had in my apartment, but they just looked a little sterile because the lighting in this half of the room does tend to get a little cool, so I reordered the curtains. It's the same curtains, but I did them in this really pretty, the color's called Angora, and it really just warms it up so much better. So that was a quick swap I made.
Down, I will keep on searching for my high.
Alright, so let's work on styling these shelves. I have had these shelves for a long time. They are a thrifted item. They're two separate shelves, but I actually got them both for only $15. Can you believe that? One of my ultimate thrifted finds for sure. So I'm gonna, just play around with some stuff that I have all over my floor here, and we'll get these shelves looking good. This is adorable. I got this at Target in the dollar spot, and frequently you'll see pieces like this that are really expensive, but this was only $5. It still has the little $5 tag on it that you can see, but this is super cute and such a versatile piece to style with.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I love this piece. The age on it around the top is beautiful. It's really worn on the inside.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's come.
And if you're gonna style a shelf, you gotta bring out the giant box of candles.
Just to wake you up when I dance around.
Okay, I think that I am happy with this shelf styling, at least for now. Shelf styling is definitely not an exact science, so sometimes you just have to play around with things, but I like this corner and how it came out for now with the shelf, so we're gonna move on and style the cabinet. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and start with the top of this cabinet to get styled. I already have this thrifted lamp up here. I love my thrifted lamps. I have so many thrifted lamps. For some reason, whenever I go, I just love to look at the lamp section. So this is a thrifted piece.
I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
All right, so I love this print here. This is a thrifted frame, and I love the brass detail within the wood. The issue is that there is no back on it. You can see where the back was removed. I'm sure you can just get a back somewhere and kind of fix it like that, but I think I'm gonna try to get crafty and figure out a way to stand this up without having to add a back to it. This might work, this might be bad. All right, I think I may have an idea. So this candlestick holder really does not hold well, honestly, for a candle. The hole is just way too big. I think my cat's making noises. Way too big, and the candle just like lays against it lopsided, so it never looks nice in here, so I never end up using it. I'm wondering if I can kind of use this as a base and kind of put the picture on it and see if it'll rest against it. It may not work at all, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I think it worked. Yeah, it's staying up. Oh my gosh, I think that worked. Okay, let's bring you in closer. Yeah, so this totally worked. It's acting like a base or a stand for it. It's standing up with absolutely no problem. So I would say this was really successful. Okay, so I have this kind of bunch of dried florals, and I feel like the top here just needs like some type of greenery. So I think I'm gonna try to add this and see if it kind of just brings it together and makes it a little more cohesive. I think that sits really nicely in there. All right, so now we are going to style the inside of the cabinet, and glass cabinets can actually be fairly tricky to style because you obviously want them to look beautiful because you can see right through to everything, and you don't want it to look too busy, especially with the amount of stuff that I have here on top. So we're gonna play around with it and see what we come up with.
Forever, forever, I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
Okay, so I am thinking that I need to figure out what to do with like this shelf. It's started down lower, so you can really like put something taller up there. Also, I'm a little sorry for this like awkward angle, like me being right here, but I'm trying to get good footage for you guys. So I'm thinking about maybe stacking blankets or pillows. Let's see what that looks like.
Because I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Okay, I did not like it. I didn't like it at all. I think I'm gonna use this simple kind of woven sea basket. I actually did have this in my cabinet in my apartment and I liked it a lot. It takes up space, but it's just such a minimal, non-busy piece.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So I just ordered a rug for kind of like this space here. I'm feeling like, do you see Floyd napping? I'm feeling like this is a pretty big kind of living room area, and I feel like a rug would kind of naturally separate this space off a little bit. So I did just order that. I clearly still have things all over the floor, so it's a little bit of a work in progress, but I do think the rug is going to make a big difference here. I decided to do a gallery wall over my couch, even though after trying to do one in my apartment, I decided I would never do one again. Here I am going to do it anyway because I just love the idea of having my art pieces collected. I am just eyeballing it. There's definitely different methods you can do to assemble a gallery wall, but I just eyeball it and I don't worry too much if they're not perfectly straight when I put them up because I will make sure I adjust them as I go along the way.
Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
All of the art pieces hung up, and I really love the way that it came out. The details on some of these thrifted frames are just beautiful, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this other art hung up and then we can move on. Okay, I'm excited to show you what I got. I thrifted this from a guy who has a barn and he has some spare barn ladders, so I got this one. And I think this is perfect for this kind of little area over here, just to have some extra blanket storage, you know, in case somebody might be sitting over here. Maybe I'll be sitting over here, but probably not, but that's okay. I'm gonna put this I think it's called a foam book table. I'm gonna put this here as an end table. This was actually my grandmother's and it's one of the only pieces of furniture that I actually have from a grandparent, so I think it's really cute. I think it's perfect for the end here. This ties in kind of the warm wood tone of the ladder as well as the coffee table that I already have. and the console that's over there. So I think we'll just style this a little bit and see what we can come up with. I always start with some books. And then I have this lamp. It needs to be dusted, but I think this ties in kind of the bronzy accent as well as the black. And I love that it's like a flat black color as opposed to something shiny. Always, always, always a brass candlestick. I'm not sure what I want to put kind of here in this space. It needs something with a little bit of height. I think I have a vessel with some eucalyptus. Let me look. Alright, you guys, I think that we are done, or at least done for now. Something is always changing in my home. That's just the way that I am. So let's do a quick reminder right here of what the space was looking like when we first started. Just dreary and in desperate need of a brighter, fresher space. So with that being said, let's do the reveal. Alright, you guys, that is it for this living room makeover. I hope you really enjoyed what I put together here. I feel really happy with this space. It feels more like me. I love being surrounded by the things that I love, my thrifted pieces, my DIYs, and so I hope you enjoyed this much as I did. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you next time for the next makeover. Take care.